The recovery in Ireland is being driven by innovation.
Projects that deliver to us clear competitive advantages.
World-class materials that we can incorporate into our devices and technologies for the benefit of patients worldwide.
So AMBER is an SFI-funded research centre which is really a partnership between material scientists, bioengineers and industry. Material science at its most basic level is just the science of stuff, the science of the materials that you see around you. And nanomaterials will form the new next generation set of materials, and we believe that these will have a big impact for a range of current industrial applications, from electronics to composites in say medical devices to energy generation and storage. We also work with a broad palette of companies, both multinationals and SMEs here in Ireland.
Innovative Polymer Compounds IPC is a medical polymer compounder. Polymer compounding means mixing of plastics. Currently we're working on 2 projects with AMBER, one that we actually already have a license for and one that we are developing further. And in particular, one of those projects we really feel will give us a very distinct competitive advantage in the marketplace. These competitive advantages we then hope will give us more sales, more profitability, which will enable us to employ more people.
Within the last year, we've had a number of successes here in AMBER, and we were working with an English chemical firm, Thomas Swan, to scale up the production of 2D materials. And in the last year, we have developed that scale-up technology, we have licensed it to the company, and they are now making this scaled-up graphene material and selling it as a product. And this research was also published in the prestigious journal Nature Materials. So in addition to material science, there's also a significant bioengineering component to AMBER.
So bioengineering researchers in AMBER are working across a whole range of different areas, from the development of new medical devices to regenerative medicine therapies such as stem cell biology, to the development of advanced biomaterials which focus on tissue regeneration. One of the big opportunities that will hopefully take place in 2015 is that we'll see the first of our collagen-based biomaterials actually be implanted into patients.
So I'm a knee surgeon here at Sports Surgery Clinic. I specialise in sports injuries and particularly cartilage injuries in a wide range of patients, more particularly young athletes and particularly sporting people. We don't have many good options for cartilage repair, so I think the work at AMBER is a fantastic opportunity. I think this work can be of not just national consequence, but having worked across the US and Europe, I know there's a tremendous global demand for this, and I think if we are successful in developing it in Ireland, we'll be relatively quickly before we can translate this to impact right around the world.
Another example of the collaborative research that we do with industry is a project that I have with Bell Labs Ireland, where we're looking to use nanomaterials in novel energy generation and storage technologies.
So the project I'm working on is exploring thermal transport in 2D materials. These products would span the entire portfolio range of Alcatel-Lucent, all the way from wireless base stations to the optical switches that you'll find in data centers or telecom central offices. The work has been progressing well. At this point we expect several publications in 2015 out of the collaborations that we have with PIs and AMBER.
The key to the success of these centres is to have the collaboration of industry with our research community. What we expect out of that will be to give a lot of our companies a competitive edge to compete on the world stage. We've no doubt that AMBER will be kind of leading the field when it comes to research.
So we're all aware that nanoscience can be a very expensive business. So we believe it's very, very important to show the public that their money is being well spent, and indeed to show them that high quality scientific research is something that's going on here in Ireland and not just in, say, Germany, America and Asia. So in addition to the applied research, we also do a whole range of basic research, and we study materials such as nanowires, magnetic materials and polymers, and this is critically important because the discoveries that we make in basic research will feed into the applied research of the future, and that's what's so exciting about this.